Food moments of the decade!
So what's your name?
Hello, foodies of the internet void. I'm Nietzsche.
And I'm Katie.
And we are here to bring you Tasty Tidbits.
Tasty Tidbits is a show where we're gonna tell you all that's going on in food today.
We've got a great show for you, including a special appearance from Questlove.
Do I get to interview him?
Yeah, you do. The Popeye spicy chicken sandwich is back, and fans could not contain their excitement. It's inspired some pretty crazy headlines, including man pulls gun on Popeye's employee for not having enough chicken sandwiches.
Janelle Monae suggested voter registration should be at all Popeyes locations.
And Florida man builds raft out of the aluminum foil packaging of a chicken sandwich.
Did that really happen?
No, but like checks out,
But
right?
in probably Florida.
Yeah. So we decided to send our PA Mary Grace to the nearest Popeye so we could try the craze for ourselves.
Ooh.
Mary Grace?
Good luck, Mary Grace.
So I was in and out of Popeyes in less than an hour. I'm actually very pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna bring these back to the office and let's see how these chickens taste.
Thanks, Mary Grace.
Now we're gonna send this over to Matt, our in-house taste tester. He digests all our food.
Yes, he does. Matt?
Thanks, Katie and Nietzsche. Thanks, Katie and Nietzsche. I actually tried to get my hands on this sandwich before, but subsequently gave up, so this is much more convenient. Nice bun, thick piece of chicken. Overall, I'm really sort of impressed with this. It's a thick piece of chicken. It's got a really sort of warm, buttery bun. Some nice pickles in there. It's a little bit spicy, but not too spicy. Would I commit a crime for this sandwich? Probably not, but overall, it's a good chicken sandwich. So back to you, Katie and Nietzsche.
Hey Nietzsche, guess what?
Hi, what's that, Katie?
It's 2020. Not yet, but almost, which means it's almost the end of a decade. How terrifying.
I don't think I did anything.
I definitely didn't reach my goals. But that's okay, because we're gonna talk about our favorite top 10 food moments of the decade! We have one audience member. It's our boss. She just wooed.
Number 10, Instagram. Yes, we start our countdown with our favorite place to post all of our food pics. It was created in 2010, and you know what I just realized, Katie?
What, Nietzsche?
Instagram is Gen Z.
Yeah, it kind of is.
So what if Snapchat was just Instagram's Finstagram?
Number 9. You guys remember getting crazy on Four Loko? I sure do. One time. That was it. I promise. The caffeinated drink became popular in 2010 when it was banned by several universities. Everyone wants what they can't have. But don't worry, Nietzsche. If you were worried there's no Four Loko for you, there still is. They have an alcoholic seltzer. Woo! Number 8.
When we say Ryan Gosling, you think of one of two things. Either, hey girl, or you think of Ryan Gosling not eating his cereal. That's our pick for number 8 of our favorite food moments of the decade. Wow, I almost got teary-eyed. Of course, we know that in 2015, Ryan Gosling finally did eat his cereal to honor the memory of the Vine's creator, Ryan McHenry.
And that's it for our food moments of the decade for this Tasty Tidbits. Tune in next week to find out more. Questlove, thank you for joining us on Tasty Tidbits.
Thank you.
We're here to talk about your new cookbook,
Yes.
Mixtape Potluck. It's super fun. I love all the art in it. It's very kind of retro.
Thank you.
What is your recommendation to make like the best potluck ever?
The best potluck is where people just bring the basics. They feel like they have to kill the game, like some souffle thing. I've seen people get their feelings hurt where a particular chili from their grandmom's like recipe from long ago was neglected because everyone just ate all the nachos and
Right.
Right.
Simple.
I'm the guy that will bring the forgotten things. Like there's never enough hot sauce, there's
Right.
never enough ice, there's never enough good music. So I provide the atmosphere that brings it up to the next level.
So are you always like the guy on the playlist?
Every week I come up with a new challenge on what 100 songs will fit this particular mood.
Oh. Have you ever eaten something so good that you had to go write a song or some music after it?
The reason why I got into this game in the first place was to do that exactly. The Roots wanted to change the narrative of what Philadelphia was in the music world. So we figured the best way to pull together the resources of the Philadelphia music community was free food. Then of course, that drew in all the musicians that I wanted to come over. Then it was like, oh, by the way, guys, here's some instruments, let's write songs
Oh,
together.
you were like just lured them in. So a potluck is basically like a jam for
Food
food.
is the best social adhesive ever. That's what brings people together.
I agree.
Food.
Yeah. Hey Nietzsche,
Hey,
not
Katie.
a lot of people know that here at Tasty, we have a full culinary team that tests every recipe we make.
Yeah, they're professional and they're really talented.
So we're introducing a new segment we call What's Cookin'?
Make this yummy gelatinous situation.
Oh!
This is how we find out like how to write a recipe. You live and you learn. This one I sprayed. Let's try that. There. Oh. Oh yes. Boom. If it was clear, it's gonna be clear.
What was supposed to happen here?
2020.
Oh, that's 2020.
Typography cake.
Yeah.
Oh, typography. And our typography was supposed to say 2020.
That's the second try. The first try is also terrible. You can see how some of the pieces were maybe breaking off and floating around.
So the team is starting filming right now. As you can see behind me, they're kind of planning their shoot for the 2020 cake. Ooh, purple. All right, great. So cool. We're gonna cut to a top down, and you're just gonna finish with taking the knife out.
This is so rad.
Wow, this 2020 cake is exactly what I need in my life.
Thanks for bringing some back. I love carbs.
Yes, absolutely. And this is the perfect time of the year. Nobody cares about carbs.
It's so good. Nobody cares about carbs. January, we care about carbs. All right, well, thanks for watching Tasty Tidbits.
And thanks for hanging out with us. I'm Nietzsche,
I'm Katie.
and this has been a fun time.
Oh, yes.